Hey guys, welcome back to our vlog. I'm Luke Ediger with Charleston Homes. Today I have Eric Almquist here with me with Benchmark Mortgage. Wanted to get together today and talk a little bit about interest rates. Market's really good right now, isn't it?
Luke, the market is good. You know, it's kind of interesting what's happened with rates. So anybody that watches the news has seen rates come down over the course of the last year, probably a good percent from where they were last year at this time. And you know, they've come down for a lot of different reasons, but globally, one of the main reasons is the bond market globally has been rallying, which basically means bond prices have been going up and yields have gone down. And so you've seen that affect our bond yields, which is kind of what interest rates follow. Okay.
And so would you say our rates are, comparatively speaking, or historically, are we at a 6-7 year low?
Historically, I would say that rates are probably about as good as they were since 2016.
Okay.
And realistically, 2016, you saw rates dip for a period of time in October when England exited the European Union, and you had the same thing happen. You had bond yields really push down and prices go up.
Okay.
So kind of similar thing happening now. Bond yields have really pushed down and dragged interest rates down with them.
Where do you see rates going in the foreseeable future?
Yeah, I think it's going to be hard for rates to go up. You know, you've got the Federal Reserve coming out and cutting short-term interest rates, which a lot of people think are mortgage rates. They're really not. What the Federal Reserve does is slow down the economy or speed up the economy by lowering costs or raising costs of money that's borrowed between banks. But really what they do when they lower short-term borrowing costs is they're not concerned about inflation. And they're trying to promote growth. And so that's probably going to continue to drive rates lower, in my opinion, over the course of time.
Yeah.
I don't know how low they'll get. There's some people that are predicting some really historically low rates.
Yeah.
We'll see if that materializes.
Yeah, but you never want to sit around and wait, right?
Never want to sit around.
Don't know what tomorrow's going to bring.
Historically, rates are in a really good spot.
Yeah. So, we've seen the market's been pretty strong for us this year, and this is just another reason to buy a home now, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, I mean, I think the market from a buying perspective is as good as it's been in a long time, So, there's no reason that I would tell somebody to wait if they were ready to buy a house or ready to build a house.
Yeah. Well, good. I mean, that's a lot of good information. And so if any of you out there are looking to buy a home or at least see what you can qualify for, definitely come out to our models and talk to one of the agents here, and we'll hook you up with Eric or any one of our lenders and get you qualified. That's probably the first step to buying a new house, and definitely I think this information points that now's the right time to buy a home.
Yep, I would agree.
Yep. Well, hey guys, thanks for tuning in. As always, you can visit us at our website at charlestonhomesomaha.com.